We're going to explain step by step how to fix and recover your cell phone if it has a screen lock or you've forgotten your Gmail account. In this video tutorial, we'll explain how without needing a PC, you'll be able to recover it if you follow the steps without skipping ahead. In the video tutorial, because skipping ahead will always cause you to miss some features. Tell us in the comments which video worked for you and which didn't, so we can send you an exclusive video tutorial that doesn't require a PC. If you do have a PC, we also have videos for PCs so you can apply the steps and fix your cell phone recovery. That's what we want too, for you to be able to fix it and recover it. Here's how we'll do it. In this video tutorial, the first thing we're going to do is click Next. Then we'll get to the section where we connect to a network. As we've indicated, we'll get to that point. We'll also give you an alternative way to recover and fix this problem. What happened to me was that I had a screen lock. After changing it, I forgot about it. So, I formatted it. After formatting, it was left with that little padlock in the upper left corner, and now I have the same screen lock. But there are things people don't know. Like, well, let's just say, for me, I forgot about that screen lock. Let's say some people formatted their phone, and suddenly it reset itself, then suddenly it got locked. So, to access your cell phone, you need to know if you remember the screen lock. Here, we'll see a screen lock. If you know it, you can add it, and it will give you access to your phone without needing to watch this entire video tutorial. That would be one of the alternatives. If not, you'll have to watch all the steps we'll be indicating here. Don't worry, we'll give you several options so you can recover it before doing this process. As we've indicated, leave us a comment with your phone model so we can send you a video tutorial. Tell us if you want a method using a PC or a method without a PC. We'll send it to you shortly. Having said all that, what we're going to do is wait for the point where that screen lock appears and where that Google account appears. We also want to tell you that in the video description and in the first pinned comment we'll have other completely different methods. PC methods and non-PC methods can be found there for those who want to fix and recover their devices. They will do so in one of the easiest and fastest ways, which are PC-free methods. We also have other PC methods. We have several methods, from 1 to 10. We have 10 completely different methods, most of them PC-based, and we have about 4 different non-PC methods for those who also want to try another method. They can find them there. Having said all that, now let's begin this recovery process, because when we format our phone, it usually takes a few seconds to get to the screen lock screen. These are errors that often happen. They start loading and loading, and after a while, they return to the screen lock screen. Now, what we are going to do is click here where it says, Do not copy. This will take us to this section, which is what I'm indicating. Let's say you didn't forget the screen lock like I did. If you are one of those people who forgot the screen lock, the screen you had, I know it got formatted. You add it here and it will give you that access. without needing to watch the entire video tutorial. But let's say the same thing happened to you as to me. You formatted it because you forgot it. So what you're going to do is click here where it says, My Google account. Here we also have another alternative to recover our phone. How are we going to recover it from here? Well, here it's asking us for the email from our phone. Sometimes it happens that we remember the email, or maybe we have it written down. Maybe you have 1 email here, 2 emails, 5 emails, 10 emails. Sometimes we have more than 1 email at the same time on the phone. If you add one of those emails you had here, you add the email, you click next, you add the password. It will give you that recovery access. That would be the main thing. But let's say maybe you don't know the password. Well, it also gives you the alternative of adding the phone number that we had here in the email. In that email, we add the phone number. Click next, and we receive a recovery code. This also gives us the option to fix and recover our device. That would be the other alternative. But let's say you don't remember any of that. Then you have to do the following. We're going to click here where it says, Forget Gmail. Here we're going to do the following. We're going to write the following here. We write it, we click next, we're going to write it again here. This will help us enable a function that will allow us to solve this problem. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds, we're going to go back to the home screen. When we go back to the home screen, we'll be finishing the recovery process. As we indicated, one of the easiest and fastest ways, without needing to use a PC, is to go back to the home screen. We go back quickly, tap the screen several times. Click back once or twice. Tap Add New Network, tap the gear icon, and then tap the 3 dots in the language settings to update. We go back, we tap here on Reset. We reset these 2 options that appear here. After we reset it, we're going to restart it. Now that we restart our phone, we're going to wait for our phone to take us directly to the home screen. When our phone takes us directly to the home screen, we will be finishing this recovery process. We are going to finish this whole process in the easiest and fastest ways, without needing to use a PC, is a completely PC-free method in the easiest way and more. You quickly learn that in the video description there are more completely different methods. Also in the first pinned comment. For those who might not be able to use our method, let us know in the comments which model didn't work for you so we can send you an exclusive video tutorial for your favorite model. The idea is that you can also fix and recover your device this way, in one of the easiest and fastest ways, without needing a PC. With all that said, what we're going to do now is go to the following settings. As you can see, these sections appear here. Here we see the padlock again. Now we're going to the final step. We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Let's continue connecting. Now we have to get to the point where the screen lock and the Google account will appear. When we get there, pay close attention, because what we're going to do is the following. Pay close attention, we're at the final step. Let's wait. We're going to wait here now. It's going to take us to that section, and we'll be finishing this video tutorial. As we've indicated, this is one of the easiest and fastest ways, without needing to use a PC, is a completely PC-free method. We're at the final step, don't worry. When we're taken directly to the home screen, we don't need to do the next step, which was to configure it. There's no need to reset it because we haven't disabled any applications or anything like that. Once we start accessing our phone, all we have to do is configure it and add our email address. If you don't have one, it also gives you the option to create an email address and add a password for your device. All of these settings will be provided. Let's wait, we'll wait. Be patient, you've reached this point. Because the video tutorial is progressing successfully. Let's continue waiting here. We'll click here where it says, do not copy. This will take us to the same screen lock, which is what we need. Here, it will take us to the Google account. With all that said, now that we're in this last section, what we're going to do now is the following. We'll go back one click. Now, we're going to remove any SIM card we have in our phone. We'll remove it. Now, we're going to disconnect the Wi-Fi network and reconnect it. When our Wi-Fi network is removed, we're going to click here where it says, do not copy. We click where it says, do not copy. We're going to click next here, we'll click next. Now we'll click skip here, you can add the screen lock. I'm going to click skip here. You can add the Google account, I'm going to click skip, we still have the padlock at the top, we're going to click skip, next. We're going to click next, we're going to wait. Here, we're going to click finish. If you see the padlock, it's just about to disappear. Just now, it would take us directly to the home screen. Now what we have to do is configure our phone.